Dear students, you know that the connectors are four types: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and conjunctive adverbs or joiner. So today I will discuss correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions always travel, always goes in a pairs, joining. They cannot move or cannot go, travel in single at the time of joining various sentences. Correlative conjunctions, that means they always travel in pairs, together, in a couple, joining various sentences elements that are grammatically equal. Let me give example. Suppose both and, then not only but also, then either or, neither nor. These are called correlative conjunctions. I hope you know how to make the sentence by using these correlative conjunctions. You know, she is not only a singer but also a dancer. He is not only a player but also a singer. She is not also a student but also a dancer. In this way, you may use either or, then neither or nor, then both and. You may make sentence. Thank you very much. So these are called pair conjunctions or correlative conjunctions. And coordinating conjunctions. There are only 7 coordinating conjunctions. Only 7 coordinating conjunctions. So if you remember one unusual word, fan boys. Fan boys. There are 7 letters in this word. Take 7 letters from the beginning and you will get 1 conjunctions. F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. These 7 conjunctions are called coordinating conjunctions. They must always join grammatically equal parallel elements: noun plus noun, verb plus verb, independent clause plus independent clause. These 7 coordinating conjunctions can join the parallel word noun plus noun, verb plus verb, and independent clause plus independent clause. So, okay, it is easy to remember fan boys. If you remember fan boys, think of acronym fan boys. Each of the letters in this unusual word is the first letter of one of the coordinating conjunctions. F for, A for and. Just remember in this way. Thank you very much. So much for the now.